up, guys? So I am in my car right now making like a quick unboxing video of just some pickups that I got at the moment. I'm currently in a parking lot, so it's so awkward, like, and it's hot, and I have to put my air conditioning down because I don't want it to come out in the audio, which is super awkward, and there's people like coming and leaving and parking and they're low-key staring. But the first shoe that I got was one of like Nike's newest releases called the Nike React Element 87 in Anthrace Black. It legit comes in a regular box. You can see right there the name of the shoe. It has like very like hints of like off-white, and you know, it's a cool trainer sneaker, and it has like mesh. So I'm just giving you guys like a quick lowdown because I did sell them on StockX because I originally wanted the orange one, and I got like a few more bucks for it, and I really wasn't too crazy about the black one since I already have too many black shoes. But as you can see, like the mesh is in there. In the inside, it has like that, what is it called? Like that corkscrew sole, and it actually comes off. So I guess you're able to put your insoles in there, replace it with other ones. I don't know if they sell replacements for them, but it does give you like off-white vibes, like that collaboration that they did, off-white and like Converse, which is a Nike brand, of course. And it has like that see-through mesh. Let me put my hand so you guys can get like a quick lowdown. And it is true to size, so it is an 8.5, and it is actually very comfortable. The sole, I don't know if the sole has anything to do with it, but honestly, it kind of gives me like Alpha Bounce, kinda, because the Alpha Bounce has like the same sole as the shoe, minus like the black and white, how they meet, almost like a marble texture. But they do have like these little black circles at the bottoms, the Alpha Bounce, for like grip and stuff like that. But yeah, just like a quick video for you guys. If you guys are looking to cop them, I do recall they released at 7 in the morning, and they all sold out, whether that being orange and black. But I do know that more colorways are coming, so I hope the orange one releases again. But another quick lowdown, if you guys are in the market, StockX or Go has them. If you guys are looking to pay like what? I think I sold mine for, oh, it says on the paper. So if you guys are willing to pay like an extra $100 more, and that was like the lowest ask, was $100 more for the price that I paid. The price retail was like $165 with tax, $171 and some change. So online they're going, I know the orange one's going up to $300. That's the lowest ask. I don't know what size, but the black one, the highest is like $265, and then of course there is fees, and there is their tax and all that stuff, processing and whatnot. But yeah, just a quick lowdown of like the latest sneaker. And I am in my car because I just sold it, like I said, and I have to ship it today, or else I get like charged a fee or something for not shipping it right away or something like that. Like, I have a life too, you know. But yeah, just a quick lowdown. Bam, bam, bam.